Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's look at prices of Nigeria foodstuffs in Ghana. I was able to go to Ghana local market today to see if I can get our Nigeria foodstuff cheaper, but when I got there I found out there is no more different buying it from the shop and buying it from the local market. So if you are coming from Nigeria to Ghana, maybe because of work transfer, one thing you have to consider is food. Make sure you pack as much food as your hand can lay on, because foreign food are very expensive, considering the fact that much money was spent before exporting those food from Nigeria to Ghana, plus other factors that I cannot be able to mention in this video. So let's see what $100 was able to get for us in Ghana local markets. These are the Nigeria foodstuffs I was able to get from the local market, and this is cornflakes. I was able to get these cornflakes for 55 cedis, and I will be writing the equivalent on dollar and naira on the screen. I got semolina, and this is about 1.8 kg, and I got about 4 of these, which one of it is 25 cedis and 4 of it is 100 cedis. This is Nigeria Golden More, the medium size of Golden More, and this is 36 cedis, and I got about 3 of these. This is Gari. I bought about 4 olonkas of Gari. Each of the rubber is 1 olonka. Call it olonka here in Ghana, and 1 olonka here in Ghana is 22 cedis. This is spaghetti, golden penny to be precise. I got 1 carton of 8 for 240 cedis, and it is about 20 pieces inside. This is Prewenko, aka Esan, why some people call it tutu. 1 wrap of it is 30 cedis, while both of them is 60 cedis. This is tomato. I have a lot of tomato in my fridge, but I saw this tomato and I feel like buying some. This is 10 cedis as it is. This is cow skin. 1 of it here is 10 cedis, while both of them is 20 cedis. And I also got my children meat, which is cow beef. I got 1 pound for 30 cedis, while both of the pound you are seeing here is 60 cedis. This is hot fresh pepper. I got 1 olonka of this for 30 cedis. This is iron beans, and this is 1 olonka. In Nigeria we call this olonka rubber, and I got this for 45 cedis. This is beautiful red apple. I got this for 20 cedis. This is cow leg. I got 1 of these for 80 cedis, which both of them is 160 cedis. This is green beans and green pepper. I got both of them for 10 cedis. I got this lovely carrot for 30 cedis. I got this beautiful fresh cabbage for 10 cedis. I got this utazi I use for my local spices for 10 cedis. I got half bag of rice. We have different brand of Nigerian rice, but what we normally use in my house is Mama Gold, and this is 320 cedis. This is 1 carton of chicken noodles. I got this for 150. It is 40 pieces inside, of which 1 pack of it is 70 kg. These are the pineapple I bought. I got 3 of them for 20 cedis. This is yam. I got 1 tumba of this yam for 20 cedis, while both of them is 40 cedis. This is plantain, and this is exactly the size I like buying and what is recommended by the doctor for me to be eating, and I got this for 20 cedis. And this is our Nigeria bread here in Ghana. Each of these bread is 10 cedis, while both of them is 20 cedis, and these are the Nigeria foodstuff I was able to get with $100 here in Ghana. So let me know at the comment section, are the prices of Nigeria food cheaper here in Ghana or expensive compared to the prices of foodstuff in where you live or your location? Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Like, share this video, drop your comment and subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Remain blessed as I see you in our next video. Bye bye.